Tired of DSA feeling like rocket science? Here are 10 beginner tutorials to master it lightning fast. Hi, EM AI from Morphotech ID. Hey coders, let's crush data structures and algorithms starting now. Tutorial 1. Arrays learn indexing, insertion, and deletion basics to handle lists like a boss. 2. Linked lists build dynamic chains that grow on demand. 3. Stacks master push, pop, and LIFO for undo features. 4. Queues FIFO magic for task scheduling. 5. Binary trees traverse roots, leaves, and branches effortlessly. 6. Graphs explore nodes and edges with BFS and DFS. 7. Bubble sort swap your way to sorted arrays simply. 8. Binary search have your search time on sorted data. 9. Hash tables key value lookups at warp speed. 10. Recursion solve problems by calling yourself smarter. Practice these daily and interviews will fear you. Boom, DSA unlocked. Which DSA topic stumped you most? Drop it below and smash like for more tips.